Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The Demix Heavy Gauge sports a charming old-school appearance and is handcrafted by artisans with a century of experience in the industry. It's got an engraved brass pouring spout and can hold up to nearly 1 3/4 quarts of liquid. Hinged handle folds down for storage, lined with non-reactive tin. Bottom is not perfectly flat. The Barista Warrior Drip Kettle is equipped with a gooseneck spout and is well suited for making pour-over coffee right at home. It features a thermometer in the lid, and while it's only copper-plated, this allows you to use it on any kind of cooktop, including induction. Comes with an instructional ebook. Money-back satisfaction guarantee. Lid doesn't always fit snugly. The Old Dutch Europa is a good choice for those who don't want to bother polishing a kettle, as it's made with a proprietary process that bonds copper to stainless steel. The result is a long-lasting, brilliant finish that maintains excellent heat conductivity. Spout locks open for pouring. Encapsulated base is induction safe. Whistles when water boils. The Demix 2019 is made by hand in Turkey, and its large, 3-quart capacity can provide enough hot water for a crowd. Its intricate engravings and attention to detail will impress your guests while you're pouring their beverages. Lined with tin for safety, solid heavy gauge copper, develops Simplex Kensington. Handcrafted by an English company that's been in business for more than a century, the Simplex Kensington features a melodious whistle, along with a bird beak spout for an optimum pour. It's lined with a protective tin coating that will not react with acids. Ebonized beechwood handle. Highly polished exterior. Backed by a 1-year warranty.